Start by tapping the Vault button to get to the Vault screen. Then tap Buy. Then select the crypto to receive. In this case, we want Ethereum on Base Network. You can choose your on-ramp provider as well as your payment method, and then tap Buy. If you've already got an account with an exchange like Coinbase, you can purchase Ethereum there as well. After you have your Ethereum, you can send it to Coinbase Wallet. Copy the Coinbase Wallet address so you can paste in the Coinbase app and send it out. Once the Ethereum sent from Coinbase has been received in your Coinbase wallet, you can navigate to your assets and click the Bridge button to exchange your Ethereum for Base Network Ethereum. Once the bridge has been completed in Coinbase Wallet, you'll also need to copy your Ethos Base wallet address. Paste the Ethos Base wallet address into Coinbase Wallet to send to Ethos. Similar to before, we'll need to copy our Ethos Base wallet address. Next, you can go to changenow.io on your browser or mobile device. You can swap cross-chain here, so you may choose whichever coin you'd like to swap, but be sure to select Ethereum on Base Network as the coin to receive. Next, we'll need to paste in the Ethos Base wallet address and click Confirm. Here we have the option to scan a QR code. However, for mobile, we can simply copy the address which will send the crypto we're exchanging. Then, head back over to Ethos and hit the Send button. Paste in the address we copied from Change Now. Select the amount and send.